To post a rental property on Facebook Marketplace, follow these steps. Log into Facebook. Go to facebook.com and make sure you're using your personal profile or a business page tied to your real estate activity. Go to Marketplace. Click the Marketplace icon on the left sidebar or bottom menu. Create new listing. Click Create New Listing and select Property for Rent. Enter property details. Fill in the rental information. Title, catchy headline, price, monthly rent, property type, apartment, house, etc. Bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, address or area, lease terms and move-in date. Add photos. Upload high-quality images of each room, exterior and key features. Description. Write a clear and detailed description including amenities, rules, utilities and contact info. Publish listing. Review everything, then click Publish. Your post will appear in the marketplace and local housing groups if selected.